Hi, in this short video for beginners, I'm going to show you how to create custom text using Inkscape, which is a free open source vector graphics editor. Using fonts, it's fast and easy, but it's not that original. Sometimes you may want to create something that is unique, something that is only yours. Have in mind that I'm not going to show you how to create a specific design. This will defeat the purpose of this tutorial. I'm going to show you all the tools and options that you need to use to create your own unique design. First step is to grab the Bezier tool, and if you're not sure how to use this tool, I'm going to include a link in the description for my beginner's guide playlist where you can find detailed videos about many of these tools. Bezier tool is one of them. You can find out how to use it, all the different options and keyboard shortcuts. So let's get started, and I'm going to create the letter A. I'm going to click and start creating, and don't worry if this doesn't look like much for now. I'm going to click here to close the path, and then I chose this letter on purpose because we have a hole in the letter, so I need to create that separately. Now once I did that, I need to take another step. Grab the select and transform tool, click on this path, then shift click on this one. This will add to the selection, and I'll go to the path menu, and here I'm going to select one of these options, difference, and these are called Boolean operations. Again, in the beginner's guide you can find a detailed video about these options. So once I select difference, this actually created a hole in the letter, and if I go ahead and start the fill and stroke tool and apply a fill, you see that now this is transparent, and if I place it over here so you can see better, you see that the hole in the letter is transparent. Now the next step is where you actually start creating your own unique design, and this is by using the nodes tool, and you see that this tool has many options. Again, in the beginner's guide I have videos about this tool and its options. You can go ahead and watch it to make sure you know how to use them. We can add nodes, for example, with the control key. I can click here, add a node. I can remove it if I want to. When I select it, I can click on this option to remove it. You can go ahead and change the node type. For example, let's do this one symmetric, and you see what this did to our graphic. I can use the handles to adjust it, and basically using all these options you can design the letter in the style that you want. And something else I want to tell you, once you're finished with the design, you don't have to recreate the letter. If you want to use it more than once, you can just grab the select and transform tool, Control D to duplicate it, and you see now we have a copy of our original letter. So I hope that this was useful, and if it was, subscribe, like the video. You can add me on Google+, link is in the description, and maybe share some of your designs with me. So that's it for now. Bye.